Hello everyone, welcome to Revline 89. Today we are talking about my smoked center blackout panel. So this blackout panel is for all 2005 to 2009 Ford Mustangs, V6, GT, GT500, GTS, and that is this panel right here. So this is a blackout panel. It just sticks on by 3M tape. And if you add decals to your Mustang, I recommend just adding it to a blackout panel instead of anywhere else. You know, you don't want to ruin your paint. Now, a lot of stuff, you know, if you put decals on the side and you scrape it off, a lot of that can be buffed out as well. But this is a blackout panel, and I love it. It definitely adds to the car. So it gets a 10 out of 10 from me. I'll try and have a link in the video description where you guys can get it.